Right, I thought I'd start this week's video in here on a face-to-face because I've seen a lot of YouTubers videos and there's been a lot of damage. So yeah, there's not a lot you can say about that really, is there? Except for that's nature. But I'm sure you'll reuse and repurpose and all that sort of stuff. So right, I want to get on and do a little bit more in my leaf bin, because if I put a bit more wood on there, then I can get more leaves in there. I've got a bit of an idea, so I'll show you what I'm going to do with that. Right, I thought I'd show you what the allotments bits like really. I haven't had no damage, to be honest. I've been very lucky, but there's a lot of the leaves dropped everywhere, and I'll show you where these leaves have come out. There's a few down there, but there's not that much really, to be honest. But what I want to do, I've got some old shelving and stuff, so what I want to do, I know it's not going to be square, but that doesn't matter. I want to put a couple of the shelving bits I've got so I can build that corner up. Then if it's on a bit more of an angle like that, then obviously I can get more in. So yeah, I'll get them shelves and I'll show you what I mean. I found them shelves that I was on about. I don't know how long they're going to last. I don't think they're going to last that long, to be honest, but as long as it lasts to get these right down. But what I want to do, I want to take some of this out, move that up, so I can just stack them up there. But I'm probably going to get a pallet board, separate these like this, so I can just put a couple of batten boards along there to hold them together. Right, so I'll get on and do that. I'll get these laid out. I'm gonna have to move these back onto the grass bit where I've done them before, because I ain't got enough room here. But you get the idea. Right, I've got them two shelves battened together, like I said. That's where it's going to go. It's close enough. But really, I need to put something down that end because there's a big hole down there. So I'll show you from the other side. This is the corner that's going to be a little bit low. But what I have got is a concrete slab or concrete block that I'm going to put there. And see if I can try and level it up a bit. So I'll take this board out first, I'll get the block in place, and I'll show you after that. Alright, this is what I've done around the back with the gap. As you can see, it's only temporary anyway, so yeah. But what I want to try and do is get that shelving that I've just nailed together in there. Then I'll push this up against it, and hopefully that stops where it is and doesn't move with the weight once all this lot rots down. So I'll have to keep an eye on that. So let me get the board in, then I'll show you after that. Another problem, because that dips down a lot down there, that's not going to fit level. So what I'm going to do, I've got some more old bricks. I want to build that up in the corner there. It'll give it more strength as well, I suppose, but I want to build it up so it's level with this bit, so the board actually sits level. So I'll get on and build that side up a little bit more. I'll show you after that. To be honest, I'm not confident that's going to stop there. So I'll get this board on and get it level, and hopefully I'll be able to screw the end of that into that middle bit, because it's got a block in there on the pallet. So hopefully I can get a screw in there somewhere just to try and hold it a bit more, because I don't want the leaves rotting on this tree and everything, and I'm not going to nail into the tree and stuff. So the only place that I've got really is that block there. So yeah, let's get this in place. Right, this is the back corner that I was worried about it was dropping. I managed to get some nails in there, but joy, it was hard getting them in them blocks. So yeah, should be pretty steady. So I'll show you from the other side now that I've done that bit. There you go, that'll do me. I can easily get 1 or 2 more ton bags in there quite easily now actually, but this is quite sturdy. That'll be strong enough, but I want to get all these leaves cleared up and put them in there now. But like I say, as soon as I get more, then I'm probably going to put in as much as I can in there. And then yeah, we just keep on topping it up as and when I can really. I've got to say, this is very Heath Robinson, but I thought I'd use this other shelving. I've got another one actually that I could make it to the level of there, but it's very rough as you can see, but it's only holding leaves in. But yeah, right, now that I've got that, I'll just as well empty my leaf bin from earlier in the year. I may as well plonk it in there, haven't I? So I'll get on and do that then. Right, I've moved my leaf mould bin over to this corner where I recently dug out. So once these are empty, I can move all these along. But this is what I found on the bottom of my leaf mould bin that I've just moved over that corner there. It's rotted down quite a lot actually. It's still very fibrous. But as you can see, it has started rotting down. So as you can probably tell, it's getting quite dark now. So I'll just leave this out in the open for the minute and come back tomorrow and then put it in the bin, I think, because that'll help with all the microorganisms to start breathing in there if it's already started like that. So, but yeah, there you go. I've moved them leaves in there so it looks a bit more full, but I reckon I can get another ton bag in there quite easily. So when I get the chance, I'll grab another bag. Today I'm gonna do my Christmas potatoes, but I don't think I'm gonna get a lot in there, to be honest. I had a look at these Brussels actually, and they're not, some of them have blown, but yeah, I think I'm going to pick them today as well, to be honest, because I don't think they're going to be any good. But yeah, I'll pick them as well, I think. But I still haven't moved this, so I'm going to move that today and put it inside here. Yeah. I've still got another board that I can put on top of there, but I'm not going to do that yet. I'm going to wait till I get another 1 or 2 dumpy bags and then put a board on top of there, because if I put it on there now, it's just going to make it awkward for me later on. So yeah, the snowball onions are starting to grow quite a bit now. They're starting to grow, yeah, at long last, but still very slow. Some more radar onions and yeah, garlic, kohlrabi. So, right, I'll take you inside the polytunnel and show you my potatoes that I'm not going to get. Right, I've just come inside the polytunnel to do the potatoes. As you can see, they've been hit by frost and everything. But I've just opened my zip, and now, oh, hello. The zip wasn't zipping together. Yeah, if you look there, I don't know if you can see that or not. There you go. But it's not zipping together properly. So, yeah, we'll have to see how that goes on. I don't want the wind to get in here and bloody blow the cover off and everything. So, I'm going to have to keep an eye on that, I think. But, right, I'll get on and do these potatoes. But really, I need to do some sort of fix on that, because that's not going to stay there like that, as you can see, because the zip's starting to pull apart. I'm gonna have to think about that one now then. Right, I'll just do this one. I'll turn the camera off and I'll do the other one. But I don't think there's going to be a lot in here, but you never know. We'll have a look. Oh, there's a lot of small ones actually. Hey. No doubt I'm probably going to get really. Let me grab something so I'll put something to sit there. Let me have a proper dig round here. I'll bring you back. I'll do the other one as well. I'll show you what I end up with. Right, that's all the Christmas spuds out. I think they were Desiree or something, so they're not that good. But as you can see, there's a few white ones in here, and I wondered why. And I left one here, and if you look, it started growing white ones, so yeah, it's a bit odd. Like this one, look. Let's put it down there, you might be able to see it better. Like this one. This is obviously a Desiree. I don't know why the white ones are coming, but yeah, not brilliant, but hey, it's better than none at all. Right, I need to think about this door, and I need to get it secure somehow tonight, so yeah, I can get that zip like halfway down, and I'll just have to pile a load of bricks or something on there to stop this from flapping about too much. But yeah, I'm gonna have to think of something. I'm already thinking I'm gonna probably put a board down there, but then I need to make this bit into a door somehow, so I'll probably put another board down there, put a board across there, then I can cut that off and tack this onto a frame that I can make to fit inside there. And then that'd be my door. He says it that easy, but it ain't. It's gonna be a right pain, I can tell. But yeah, I don't know. I'm a bit whiffed off about that, to be honest. But hey, not a lot you can do, is there really? It's cheapo cover anyway. So yeah. Right, I've moved that leaf mould or mulch that started rotting down. I have put it in here, as you can probably see, but I'll put a few more leaves on top. So that should start the rotting down a little bit quicker because it's already started. So yeah. Right, this is what I've done for today because it's getting on now. So obviously I need to weigh it down, but I've got one of those older solid concrete posts that weigh a ton. I'll put that on there and a few bricks on there. So we'll see what happens. We'll come out in the morning, it'll probably be blown away. But hey, if it isn't blown away, I'll come out. I'm going to need to do this door pretty rapidly. So this is probably going to be in next week's video, me trying to build the door there. But right, I'm going to get these Brussels out because I think some of them are blown. So let me get them out and I'll show you them in a minute. Yeah, like I was thinking, a lot of these have blown actually, I think. Well, no, actually, there's one or two that might have been started eating. But anyway, yeah, let's pull this out and get out of this cage. So, right, I'll get this pulled out and I'll show you in a minute. There you go. Got a few Brussels out of it. Some of them are half decent size as well. So that's not too bad. But I'm obviously going to get rid of this stalk in the council remissible bin. So there you go. Not too bad to go with my spuds. Right, there you go. My Christmas potatoes and Brussels. Not too bad actually. They're quite clean when they've been washed off. There's a few marks on some of them, but yeah, that'll do me. Hey. Right, that's going to be it for this week. So thanks for all the comments about the onions and all that sort of thing. But like I say, next week I'm going to need to do that door. So if you want to see that and you haven't subscribed, there's a button down there. Click on the bell, click on all, and you'll get my notifications. Right, so next week, bye.